How to change the default launcher on Android. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the settings application on your device, and as you launch the settings application, scroll down and tap on the option of apps. Now select on system app settings at the top of the screen, and here you can see we do not have any options of the launcher. So you can simply go back and tap on the option of the manage apps. Then tap on the three dotted lines at the top right corner. Select on other settings. Here you can see the option of default apps. So tap on default apps, and here you can see the option of launcher. So tap on it, and as you can see, I do not have another launcher. So this is my default launcher, but if you have any other launcher, then it will be installed and you'll have the options and you'll be able to select the default launcher right over here. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.